You may have seen a recent video by our very own George B. Thomas explaining you how to add a HubSpot CTA pop-up on a button click. Now, that was a blast of a video, but we did have some questions that came out within the comment section of that YouTube video. I will actually go in and answer this one question that is very important for us to actually get to, which is it came from the user Valesco Digital 8447, and the user says, "Hello, thank you for this video. I'm currently struggling on how to add the CTA on external websites, specifically Squarespace. Would you be able to make a video on this?" And actually, yes, we can make a video on this, and that is why I'm here today. So I'm actually going to explain to you, our viewers, and also answering Valesco Digital 8447's question on how to add a CTA, a HubSpot CTA on an external CMS or an external website on a third-party CMS. Check this out. In order for us to add a CTA to an external website, we basically just need to use the code from that CTA. So we'll go to Marketing, Lead Capture, CTAs, and then we will choose this CTA right here. While choosing that one, we can either click on it or choose the Actions button right here. So I'll just go to Actions and I'll choose Embed. In here, I will actually just copy this snippet to my clipboard. And that's pretty much half of what we have to do. Now what I actually need to do is add it to a page. So how would that look like? You would generally log into any page that you wish to update with a new CTA. But for this example, I'm just going to use a test. Yep, I'm just going to search for a test landing page right here. And then in here is where I'm going to actually put in the CTA so that you can see where it actually shows. So in this case, I actually want to put it all the way down here, and I'm just going to add over here a block right there, and I'm actually going to just sorry, it is like add, and then I just go to modules, perfect, HTML, and I'll just add that in. So now that HTML is where I will actually place my code, and there we have it. So in this particular example, I actually just put it in as in whichever place I was able to find the HTML right here, and this element I can actually drag it and just place it anywhere that I would like it to go. So for example, if I want to go on this right side, maybe I do want it over there, I actually have it there. So now if I actually hit preview and look at it opening in a new tab, my temporary or draft page right there, I actually can see the CTA over here, and it actually will lead me to the page of that CTA, right? So you would actually, even though we use the HubSpot CMS right here, you would eventually do the exact same process in any other form of third-party CMS, such as WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, whatever you name it. And that's how easy it is. So basically, thank you, Valesco Digital 8447, for asking that question. That's actually very helpful because if one person has that question, definitely there's way more people in the community that maybe didn't comment, but that also have to know that this is an essential part of the CTAs tool within HubSpot, and also it is fundamental to know how to add that to any third-party CMS, because again, definitely, even though we would love it if everybody would acquire the HubSpot CMS, the reality is that there's a ton of websites and a ton of places within the internet that use third-party CMSs such as WordPress, Wix, etc. So thank you for watching. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.